Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save your contacts in Google Drive. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to store your contacts in Google Drive, follow these steps. Firstly, launch your Google Chrome browser and navigate to contacts.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. On the middle corner of your screen, you'll find the menu Contacts. Within the contacts list, locate and click on Export button. A dialog box will prompt you to choose the export format. Go for Google CSV for compatibility with Google services or VCOD for broader compatibility with other platforms. Once you've chosen the format, unselected the contacts, proceed by clicking on the export button. After the export process finishes, head to Google Drive app. If needed, sign in, click on the new button, followed by file upload, then choose the exported CSV or VCOD file from your device. Then tap select to upload it to Google Drive. By adhering to these steps, you can securely save your contacts to Google Drive, ensuring accessibility and backup. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.